Potatoes and chicken is the most popular air fryer recipe all over the world, and it's no surprise actually. Air fryers make perfect chicken and potatoes. You'll notice I added baking powder to both the drumsticks and the potatoes. It helps them turn out crispy outside for that delicious crunch. For this particular one, I chose to cut the potato into chunks instead of the popular chips shape. Whatever shape you prefer, go for it. If you have a roast function on your air fryer, use that for your potatoes instead of the air fryer function. If you don't have that, but you have the chips function, use that instead. If you are using the air fryer function, remember to add a little bit of water to the bottom of the air fryer and use a slightly lower temperature, about 170 degrees Celsius. This will prevent your potatoes from drying out before cooking fully. And my dip. This is one of the easiest and tastiest dips I make. Just 2 ingredients. You can adjust the ketchup and yogurt to your preferred taste. See how easy it is to make a complete meal with the air fryer. I'll see you again tomorrow with another recipe.